I was gonna do an appearance on my video, but I'm having a bad hair day. Hey! They're all following. Purdy. Yeah. Let's see if I can. I've got my Evo shift today, so I shouldn't be shaking y'all too much. It's unfortunate. It seems like Pebbles is not producing that much milk. What are you doing? See, Elsa is laying down, enjoying the sun. Hey, Elsa. Hey, babies. So I think I decided on names for sure. Odin, Thor, Sable, and Freya. Hey, Freya. Hey. Whoop, I can't keep up with you with this thing. Got some goats going over that way, so I gotta go catch up with them. Make sure they don't go where they're not supposed to go. That's why I like the Evo shift. Yeah, like my unstable walking. Oh, that was a hole. Did you guys? There we go. Let me get this set up. Yeah, I do not like doing cameo appearances. Y'all don't want to see me. You just want to see the babies and the goats. So, one of the potential reasons why Pebbles is not producing is deficiencies. So, barely, actually, chances are finding sun in your way. Alfalfa hay is very, very slim in this area, so I'm gonna have to get them some alfalfa pellets. Get you all sit down. Here we go. So you got it? See, okay. There you are. Yeah, they're all over there, Ranger. 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 Go get him. Bring him back up. Yep, bring him up. There you go. Yep, yep. Get him. Yep, yep. Bring him up. Good boy. Easy. Easy. Is that it? Good boy. Good boy. All right. Good boy. Yay. What that just did, that just saved me from having to walk all the way down there and try to get him back up versus keeping him from going further down into the neighbor's property. So, if Ranger, get back over here. Good boy. Yeah, come. Now, before I started training him on herding, he did have some basic obedience training as well. You really need to be able to do a recall. A lot of herding do the down stay. I just do stay. I'm old, remembering all these new type of, oh, it's getting warm. That's another reason why I wanted to do a video today. It's warm now, as you see here. They're going in through the woods, and this is what they like to do. They think they're being tricky. And I can send Ranger after them to stop them, but I'm just going to let them be. As long as they stay on the property, that's fine. My main job right now is just to keep an eye on the mamas and the babies. So when we go see the mamas and the babies, Y'all like them little kiddos. Isn't that right, Ranger? Why is Amber standing by herself? Hey, Amber, what are you doing, girl? I may have to go walk her up. Let's see. What's up? Hey, babies, don't touch that. You're gonna get shocked. They are getting better at keeping up with them. Keeping up with their mamas now. Less confused. So it's, you bounced too fast. My camera didn't keep up. Aw. Aw, Sable. Sable. Yeah, he's still did a bottle for them both this morning, make sure they got good sup. And Freya took to the bottle really well. And but Thor not so well. He's more chewed on the nipple than anything else. I might have to do a smaller nipple for him. All right. Good. Yes, they're over here. But I don't want to bore y'all with another goat video. But just if you have milk goats and there are issues with even breeding, if your buck seems to be having problems with breeding, or your doe, and the kids come out and they seem not be quite as vigorous as they should be, and you really need to check into a selenium deficiency. And as we always come back to, because there's no goat feed out there, and it's not in the environment enough copper really for goats. So you always need to constantly watch for that. That's why you heard of copper boluses, to give them extra copper, because even your goat minerals don't have the amount of copper that goats need to maintain themselves. I know, it's weird. But anywho, ta-ta from Kentucky. I hope you enjoyed the babies. If you watched the end of the video, I'll probably have a little video shoot of the baby puppies. Okay. Love y'all. Bye, puppies. Yes. About 4 weeks old now. Yes. Hi, dear. This little boy right here, he is not spoken for. This little girl right here, she's not spoken for. That little boy right there, hello, little cutie puppy. Hello, little cutie puppy. Yes. He's not spoken for. That little girl, she's spoken for. And just there, that little girl is spoken for. Her name's gonna be Kona, and her name's gonna be Noelle. Yes. So right now, we have started potty training. Potty pad, sleeping pad, potty pad, sleeping pad. And so far, they've been doing pretty good with it. We say, hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Look at those blue eyes. Yes. You got blue eyes, too? Yes, you do, little boy. Look at those blue eyes. Hello, blue eyes. Push, push. Push, 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 push. Hand it up. All right, there we go. Ta-ta from Kentucky.